Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start at my Roku. Because channel cancellations for Roku paid subscriptions require account access. Sign in now with the email and password tied to your Roku account. Once logged in, go directly to Subscriptions to view active channel billing. Make sure the channel you want to remove is billed by Roku. If it's billed by Amazon, Apple, or the provider, you must cancel there instead. By confirming billing source here, you avoid canceling the wrong service and losing access unexpectedly. Once you see the channel listed under Subscriptions, click its name to open Management Options. This is where Roku shows renewal dates and cancellation controls. Select Manage Subscription and read the summary to confirm the next charge date so you know when access ends. When you choose Cancel Subscription, Roku will usually ask to confirm. Follow the prompts to finalize. Make sure to complete every confirmation step. Partial exits or back navigation can leave the subscription active. After canceling, expect an on-screen confirmation and an email summarizing the cancellation. If you don't get either, revisit Subscriptions to verify status. Your access typically remains until the period you already paid for ends, so make sure the status reads Canceled and note the expiry date. If you're billed after cancellation, gather receipts and the cancellation confirmation, then contact Roku support for a refund. Alternatively, if billing was through the channel provider, repeat cancellation through their site or app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.